The 2014 Chevrolet Silverado. The Silverado arrived in 1999 as the replacement to the old C and K series pickups, but Chevy sold the old and new pickups through the 2000 model year. Since the second generation arrived in 2007, the old faithful Chevy Silverado has remained unchanged, as those around it continued to morph and remake themselves. Chevy has had enough with watching all of the other truck manufacturers make changes to their bodies and drivetrains, and decided that 2014 was the model year when things will change. Just like with the 2014 GMC Sierra, the 2014 Silverado 1500 is offered with more than just a new body. It also has a choice of 3 new engines, 1 V6 and 2 V-8s. All 3 engines deliver more power and improved fuel economy, and GM engineered the 6.2-liter V8 to be the most capable engine in any light-duty pickup. Update June 19, 2014. Chevrolet has announced its adoption of the SAE towing standards known as J2807. Many of the Silverado's tow ratings have been altered, but it still retains a 12,000-pound max towing capacity when equipped with the 6.2-liter V8 and max trailering package. Details after the jump. To read our complete review, click past the jump. Update history. Update the 2nd of April 2013, Chevrolet announced today prices for the 2014 Silverado set to go into production this summer. Also announced were additional details on the 5.3-liter engine. Update June 19, 2013, Chevrolet has announced additional information on the base-level 4.3-liter V6 engine, and they are pretty awesome. You can see the specs after the jump. Update the 12th of September 2013, Chevy has revealed the incredible specifications for the 6.2-liter EcoTech 3 V8 engine. It trounces the competition with well over 400 horsepower and a 12,000-pound towing rating. Unfortunately, it is only available on a select few trim levels. Exterior. The 2014 Silverado has received a more dramatic presence, with a heightened stance and more structural, muscular sheet metal. On the exterior, the most obvious update includes a new 2-port Chevrolet truck grille, restyled headlamps, and the one-piece bumper wraps from fender to fender. Chevrolet also installed a new aluminum hood, more sculpted body sides, and prominent fender flares. Customers will have to choose between a wide range of wheels, going from 17 to 20 inches in diameter, all of which are half-inch wider than before. For the 2014 model year, Silverado is offered in several trim levels that include 1WT, 2WT, LT, LTZ71, LTZ, LTZ, Z71, and the luxurious High Country. 3 bed lengths are available at 5 feet 8 inches, 6 feet 6 inches, and 8 feet. The new Silverado's Z71 package includes specialized off-road equipment as well as a few appearance pieces. It includes Rancho Shocks front tow hooks, transfer case, skid plate, unique 18 or 20-inch all-terrain tires, hill descent control, brushed metal sill plates, technical finish on interior trim pieces, Z71 graphics on the instrument cluster, GM exclusive automatic locking rear differential interior. Impressive changes were also made on the interior. It is now quieter, roomier, more comfortable, and more functional thanks to its new technologies and features. The cockpit has been designed to help the driver with the controls located within easy reach. The knobs, buttons, and interfaces are large, easy to read, and easy to operate. The 2014 Silverado will come with an available MyLink infotainment system, which features natural language voice recognition that helps the driver to place calls, enter destinations, browse media, play music, and control other functions simply by telling the vehicle what to do. Engine and drivetrain. For the 2014 model year, Silverado is offered with a choice of 3 new EcoTech 3 engines, a 4.3-liter V6, a 5.3-liter V8 and a 6.2-liter V8. Before you start to sigh about that 4.3-liter unit in there, keep in mind that this is an all-new 4.3-liter engine, not the old Vortec engine from 1985. All 3 engines are offered with technologies that include direct injection, cylinder deactivation, and continuously variable valve timing. Each engine also delivers more horsepower and torque while also improving fuel economy, thanks to all three featuring active fuel management, which deactivates half of the cylinders when the engine is under light load. The base engine in the 2014 Silverado 1500 is the 4.3-liter Ecotec 3 V6 engine that produces 285 horsepower and 305 pound-feet of torque, putting it on par with the base F150 and Ram 1500. The 4.3-liter equipped Silverado with rear-wheel drive is rated at 18 mpg in the city and 24 mpg on the highway, while four-wheel drive models get a relatively awesome 22 mpg on the highway. The V6 model is also capable of towing a class-leading 7,600 pounds towing and 2,108 pounds of payload. The mid-level 5.3-liter V8 Ecotec 3 engine pumps out 355 horsepower at 5,600 revolutions per minute and 4,100 pound-feet of torque at 4,100 revolutions per minute. In this format, the Silverado 1500 can tow up to 10,800 pounds, not including tow package, and has a 2,102 pound payload capacity. Additionally, this engine delivers stellar fuel economy, checking in at 16 mpg city, 23 mpg highway and 19 mpg combined when fitted with two-wheel drive, thanks to cylinder deactivation. Four-wheel drive only drags down the highway and combined mpg by 1 mpg. This gives the Silverado best-in-class towing and mpg, for now. The range-topping 6.2-liter Ecotec 3 V8 engine, only available in Silverado LTZ and High Country models, pumps out an outstanding 420 horsepower at 5,600 revolutions per minute and 460 pound-feet of torque at 4,100 revolutions per minute, making it the most powerful light-duty engine in its class. Fuel economy is rated at 17 mpg city and 20 mpg highway, and it affords the Silverado an amazing J2807 compliant 12,000 pound towing capacity. All three engines will be mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission that features auto-grade braking, which downshifts on downgrades to help reduce brake wear. On top of this impressive line of engines, Chevrolet is also adding in an optional max trailering package, which includes 7 and 4-pin connectors, an enhanced cooling system, the G80 automatic locking rear differential, a heavy-duty 9.75-inch rear axle with 3.73 gearing, heavy-duty rear leaf springs, updated shocks, and an integrated trailer brake controller. With this max trailering package installed, the 5.3-liter Ecotec 3 V8's max towing jumps to 11,000 pounds. While this package is not available with the 4.3-liter V6, it can still tow up to 7,600 pounds. Select the option with the 6.2-liter V8, and the Silverado's towing numbers shoot up to 12,000 pounds. J2807 compliant towing capacities. So what's the big deal with the J2807 standards, you ask? Well, it's basically the equivalent of the EPA rating fuel economy. It's a third-party source confirming the claims made by an automaker. For the SAE towing standards, vehicles must meet certain criteria in testing in order to be certified to pull a specific weight. The tests are done in the real world at the Davis Dam grade on Arizona State Road 68. The Society of Automotive Engineers tests the vehicle's cooling capability, launch and acceleration performance, handling and braking performance, and the vehicle's overall structural integrity. In the most basic sense, SAE is testing to confirm a vehicle can actually and safely tow a claimed amount of weight without overheating, becoming hard to control, or suffering structural damage. The Silverado and its Sierra twin now join the Toyota Tundra as the only trucks adhering to the new J2807 standards. And while the trucks suffer a little bit in terms of big number bragging rights, customers know what a truck can actually haul safely. The days of unsubstantiated and bloated towing figures are soon over. Check out the chart below of popular body configurations and how they fared in moving into J2807 compliance. Pricing. Pricing for the 2014 Silverado starts at $25,575 for the V6 regular cab and short box. Jump up to the double cab and the price climbs to $30,695. Getting the largest cab, the crew cab, will set you back $34,795. With the proliferation of crew cab trucks these days, it's no wonder a few of the upper trim levels aren't even available in the double and regular cab configurations. For example, the High Country is only available on the crew cab and has a starting price of $47,000. 2014 Silverado base MSRP. Competition. 2013 Ford F-150. The first and most difficult competitor is the perennial best-selling Ford F-150. People love them and just cannot get enough of them. The addition of the 365 horsepower boosted six-banger certainly didn't hurt sales any either. To expect Chevy to overtake the Ford lineup in the 2014 model year is preposterous, but it does have the potential to close the gap a little. The GM engineers just need to get this one perfect. 2013 Ram 1500. The next competitor is the perennial number 3 on the list of best-selling pickups, the Ram pickups. The Ram 1500 is getting a nice redesign for 2013 and a new toy under the hood to play with, a 300-plus horsepower Pentastar V6. The other engines remain the same, with exception of the 4.7-liter V8, which has been placed in a museum alongside the old 3.7-liter V6 and the GM Vortec lineup. Ram also focused on lightening the pickup and making other modifications, like a shutters on the grille to increase aerodynamics by closing the grille when no airflow is needed. If Chevy doesn't step up soon, it could lose its second-place stranglehold to the Ram pretty easily. Conclusion. The 2014 Chevrolet Silverado received all the updates we have expected and more: an updated exterior look, highly equipped interior and a new engine lineup. With its strong lineup of engines, tough new frame, and bold looks, the Silverado is big competition for Ford and Ram. Competitive pricing and a nicely appointed interior, Chevy has done its homework as to what truck buyers are looking for. Love it, a clean new look inside and out, better MPG with Eco-Tech 3 engines, class-leading 6.2-liter V8 making 420 horses. Leave it can become pricey with options, lacks a diesel option like the Ram 1500. 4.3-liter V6 retains a tarnished reputation despite being all new.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.